Hello guys, welcome to a brand new episode of Vaya Vlogs. In this video, we bring you an affordable yet easy to handle tripod from Kodak. So guys, this is what it looks like. Kodak T230 fluid head tripod. It is black in color as you can see, and it is quite firm. It has a rubber grip over here and a handle over here, and the thing is looking pretty good. It is kind of a plasticky thing, but for this amount I think it's quite overall. I could see that this thing is okay for a budget friendly tripod and for amateur photographers who have just entered into photography or vlogging. So let's get into detail. So let's begin from the top. This is the place where we mount the camera. So it is detachable. So this screw is tightened under the camera, and this is the screw where we used to tight, and we can place it back. Now we have a screw over here. This is mainly used to take portrait shots. We can adjust the angle of this and we can take portrait shots. There is a water level over here, so we can know whether the camera is stable or not. And the next thing is the tilting movement of the camera. So it can be adjusted using the screw. So once you are okay with the position, you can tighten it. Next is the positioning of the handle. We have a screw on this side where we can adjust according to our comfortable position. So I'm okay with this position, so I just tighten it. So now it is firm. Okay. Now next is the pan movement. So there is a knob over here where we can adjust to take the pan shots. It moves up to 360 degree and cover every area. And if you are taking still photography, you can adjust it according to the position you want, and it will be firm, and now you can take the picture. So that's it about the head. Now we have the neck of the tripod. So here is the neck. We can loosen it. So once the neck is loosened, we have to raise the camera. So for that elevation, we have a pulley system over here. So that's about the head. Now we can look the body. Here we have 3 rubber cushions over here on the 3 side, which is quite firm, so that we can carry using that. Also we have a grip over here, hand grip, which we used to carry, but it is okay for my hand. My hand is pretty small, but for a big person with a big hand, he cannot handle this because the hand won't get inside this very easily as mine. So I think that's a disadvantage. Also, we definitely have to mention the bushes that is placed under the tripod, because it is not a fixed one. It is something we can change accordingly our need, because this will work fine on any uneven surface. The tripod will be stable. There won't be any shake. So I think this is a well decision from Kodak. So you guys might have noticed a hook over here. Actually, this is used when we increase the size of the tripod, and you might find it a bit shaky. So you can place something that is hard or something which has a much weight. Like for example, you can use a camera bag, so you can keep it stable. So that's it with the hook. Now we can increase the length of the tripod and see how long it will be. So this is a 3-section support tripod, and this have raised up to 2, and I am of size 5'2", and this will range up to my waist. So let's have one more level up of this tripod. So let's unclamp them also. So this is the maximum height the tripod can have. It is pretty like above my shoulders, and I can easily mount the camera and use it. So for a 6 feet guy or a 5 feet above guy can easily handle the tripod with the maximum length. So now let's mount the camera. So this is how it looks when we mount the camera onto the tripod, and this is being shot in my phone, so there will be a compromise in the video quality, but still let's move on. So here the place where we mount the camera is quite shaky, so while taking videos or moving shots, I think we have to hold the camera tight, else there will be stability issues, and that's the only disadvantage I found. And also this tripod is bit plasticky type, but for a tripod in this price range, I think this is pretty okay for that. Yeah, that's my overall review on this product. Now let's move on to few shots taken from this tripod.